Common daily use English sentences. Serve food. Serve food. Serve food. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Are you going? Are you going? Are you going? I like both. I like both. I like both. Charge your mobile. Charge your mobile. Charge your mobile. I read the book in 2 days. It 2 days to read the book. I read the book in 2 days. It 2 days to read the book. I read the book in 2 days. It 2 days to read the book. I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I can't eat. I can't eat. I can't eat. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in. I will participate. I will participate. I will participate. Nobody came. Nobody came. Nobody came. The power has gone off. The power has gone off. The power has gone off. The electricity has gone off. The electricity has gone off. The electricity has gone off. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Do it right. Do it right. Do it right. What to do. What to do. What to do. I am just coming. I am just coming. I am just coming. Don't drag me into this. Don't drag me into this. Don't drag me into this. Don't nag me. Don't nag me. Don't nag me.